Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to do a program to calculate the resistance using color code. So let's get started with it. For this, first of all, create a folder exercise 3 and in that just copy it initial and app file which we have used previously. Let's just copy it. After that, open a Python file. And here we are gonna copy the program from the site. So let's just copy it. And now we are gonna do some changes in it. In spite of print, let's store this value in a variable resistance and just take out the unnecessary things. Now let's return the value of resistance. Similarly, in the else part, let's take out the print and return as invalid color. Now let's save this file with the name for color code. Let's close this file and just open a new file. In this we are gonna use all the stuffs we have used previously in the about file and we are gonna do some changes in it. So first of all, let's import the for color code. So from the file name for color code, import find resistance, which used to be the function in that file. Now class, just give it as resistance resource. Since we need 4 parameters, let's give it as C1, C2, C3 and C4 and let's change number 2 as color 1. Similarly, let's change N2 as C2 and number 2 as color 2. Since we need 4 color codes, let's just copy it. Now let's change that as C3 and C4. Similarly, color 3 and color 4. Now in answer, let's give the function name find resistance, which we have used in the previous file for color code, C1, C2, C3 and C4. Now to make it meaningful when running it, let's change add into resistance. And now let's just save this file with the name resistance. Let's save it and let's just close it. Now just open that app file and now here we are gonna just importing both the files here. So from dot resistance, from about resistance we have changed it into resistance resource. Now in spite of hash about, let's change it into hash resistance. And in spite of about, let's give it as resistance. It's resource. Okay. Now let's take out the previous line and save this. Now let's just run the server localhost 8000 hash. We are using here resistance, so hash resistance by using query string. Let's split it, and after that let's give the parameter values and get the result. So we have given the values color 1, color 2, color 3 and color 4. Thank you everyone.